Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Safe Lompong Deck Island. Jadi saya tengankan sedang napatok minta kasih. Semua yang jadi menerau penyoi yang tak Nongïalam, namun tak ribet kerja menerau, namun tak kemarin, namun tak punya.
Nongïalam ke Greentech Foundation kila Shah Thep hapo ke bos bat Shah Rano haki Pulit nak mat sekretariat. Hadian bagi lapan triang ban syong bet hakmat sekretariat wadda nak liang magistrate ulap ha yaki bandit ya kendu shwa ya ke DC ban panjing bet shwa ban syong hakmat sekretariat. Kala janmi ru kat maktian pedeng jongki bat ki Pulit hak bagi Nongïalam ke Greentech Foundation kila ong yaki Pulit bakim dai ban ketakti. Uba HB Nonglang chairman ke Greentech Foundation bakiu hak bos ula perta da ke baong ke jingsha tekan kan sedang na patok mentakasngi ngim dai ki khau puat ula ong. Kani kecing ki jongki kedai halor kecing dawa ban wengno ek projek ha udolen nong Lumpong Deng bala ai shiri company bahe.
Pak satu sira dan hangin. Sira dan hangin kami sekali tersen dan hangin. Ini dan yang lain. Pak. One even support kan ni lah.
Gathering of public also. It's only a BNSS order regarding this entire area around it.
Once it's a public issue, then we can't stop anybody, sir.
They are coming to support us. We did not organize for them to come here also. Please understand that. Right. Since morning, just the three of us.
Response long very unofficial lah kalau ngajung biru. Plus kita mention ini lapak kat sini. Kadai ke sarkar kadai respond ke sini ni. Kalau jumpa ba kay lam bakla. Kathok Shapang kay lam bakla bat ka kalayalat. Apa deng ka jing thok jong ka bat ka agreement ke bagi asai. Commissioner Secretary di ban leran.
Simlang kau isuk untuk statement ni katakan wan makajong na aing amat.
Sir, we have worked with you. You know us. We are not alien to you anymore also. But don't allow yourself. They are controlling everybody. Even in this land out here, Lompong Deng Island, they are trying to manipulate for the gain of somebody. Don't allow. You have a very prestigious office. Live up to that office and do not allow yourself to be controlled. That is our message to the Ribhoi district.
Most of the officer of different department, they know Greentech, who we are, what we are doing, and in what field we are working. So please don't allow yourself to be controlled by this politician. Please. We will go and talk to him unless and until he can't do like that.
When it comes to the deputy commissioner, nay, abang sarkar kasim, kaay kani projek Lumpong Deng, klaim penting wadi kisnong di bawah marjan untuk. Kau ang bakal dia kerjakan dengan sarkar. Diminta pipi ang sinong kom lo. Katakan long ngangatip ngam argue but feel long off kata ka mesti
DC no. Baban kido appeal la Shah appeal which you really want tang mene kido appeal kidan ki stakeholders no international residents baro kido betul jaga. You please send the jurisdiction Ribhoi.
Just one message to him. No, that is not possible. Okay. And one thing I will tell you, the agreement which signed between the Umyam Private Limited, not ISCL mo. It is between the director of the tourism department. More. Why DC?
I
He have no authority.
No, he is the DM of the district.
He is the DM,
but he
why
can
is not
cancel
in
the
the agreement?
project.
No, you have you can communicate with him first.
No.
Ari, from the beginning I already told you that.
Karab involved
You take this with the chief minister level and the tourism minister level.
You've taken this matter.
No.
Why they
Pai
have
ki
to
pai ba
involve-
menta kisdang ban nyat si kisunong mo. Nganong nga yapi kani ka jaka ha Lumpong Deng hapo jong kapadang umyam. Umdai de jongno. Jong upai ba baro jong kinong song. Onno mo aban simrai mano. Ngihap rai lang. Wadang idai ban ai nom ai ru ngihap ban rai lang kum the public opinion. Not at any level, not at DC level, not at any level. Please.
Katong maniray la siya.
Katanging la ay kajing thok.
This is not our first
Too late.
issue mo.
It's too
We have
late.
experience. We have a lot of experience. We have so many times we met the DC Ribhoi, discuss so many things. Not possible at his level more. Please.
I understand.
I respect you, sir.
And it's not just
I understand you brought the message
Yes.
to us.
let me
Yes.
meet
Thank you
others.
so
I
much.
understand. You brought the message to us. We are grateful
But
for you for
we are
bringing that
grateful.
message.
But just send
our
that message
response to that-
also.
Just send that message that no, that's
See,
not
I will
possible.
let them know how you feel,
Yes.
but what we're trying to say is that at the district level, it will not just be like
Yeah.
you will be able to meet the other stakeholders
You
in this
understand.
matter, right? Like
But
it's
then-
important that kani kali ke issue ke jaka re Riboy
Oh.
district. So let the
Sir,
first meeting at
kum
least
kani
happen hum to ka level
Ashwa
ke-
bangilek AGC, Ashwa bangilek ilale chui tourism minister hakini sing ladap. Ilai hakini usporo kha gilate bangilai kendu tourism minister.
Aman suat kawai kata ma. Menin view inam ka protes jungi yang te kolum yang lum pongdang island sa. Yoi. Itu kidai kis nong sok snong na katok area kalang-kalang.
Let's say kendo officially no.
Ni itho sa sarkar.
Nila ada pak city siya di siro. Nila ada pak petition siya hakini.
They kendo.
Ni kalau
Ladap ladap is.
Then whatever you discuss will be in the minutes, and then accordingly it'll go along.
See, I will tell you ma. Lada kisim serius ke issue artayo mensua haba kapoy ke petition. Lada iban call ini. Lada iban khot matami ke jingnya keren. Minta hendak lalong kumye bisa sedang korek kita. Kan numlong te kumta.
Don't allow that to stop the
No.
We've decided
discussion.
We know what we are doing there.
You just sir, just carry
Yes.
forward that message.
that we know, not from our side, not at the DC level.
And
we'll
plus,
not
if you're
do-
talking about stakeholders, the land holding out there is MTDC, who's here in Shillong. MTDC is here in Shillong.
Ada background.
Ya no. Bos lagi jauh. Riwan. Okey.
One Kentucky! We are suppressing the voice of the people! One Kentucky!
No one owns the public land safe Lompong Dek Island.
Anjing siya tengan kan sedang napatok mentah kasih. Samla yung menjadi beneru penyoi yang tak Nongïalam, namun tak ribet kerja beneru, namun tak kemarin, namun tak punya. Dalai yang baik di kaupot, yang baik di kaupot kemawai kata. Pembor yang ini bersama ya, bilang kau. Kapatok kada ini mentah kajubab upai pa mentah. Yang mentah ningin syadi kari kejai penreu. Ya kakar panging jungi sisen kasni. Hinsa syadi lilam bagi ni kikopot.